Hello children, today in this video we are going to do the next pages of the GK. So first one is page 42, interesting words. In this we have to join two words to form the new word, like mon plus key, monkey, and key plus hole, keyhole. Bro plus beat, bro beat, and beat plus nick, bitnick. Cough plus cover, and plus ring, it is earring. A plus head, a head, and head plus ing, heading. Beg plus in, begin, and in plus ner, it is inner. Hue plus man, human, and man plus age, manage. Lee plus k, leak, and k plus ill, kill. Next children, there is the meanings of the Sanskrit words given to you. We have to match them. First one is Vedas. Vedas means knowledge. So in front of C you will write 1. Samhitas. Samhitas means collections. Tapas. Tapas means heat. So Tantra. Tantra means weave. Smriti. Smriti means recollection. Raga. Raga means singing style. Nyaya. Nyaya means justice. Prana. Prana means breath. Guru. Guru means teacher. And avatar. Avatar means incarnation. Now children, you have to match these words with the Sanskrit words. Next is newspaper. Name of the newspapers are given to you and we have to tell it is in English or it is in Hindi. So Dainik Jagran, Hindi. Hindustan Times, English. The Indian Express, English. Times of India, English. Dainik Bhaskar, Hindi. Gyana Shakti, Bengali. Sandesh, Gujarati. Nagrik, Kannada. Deshbhimani, it is Malayalam. Surya Prabha, Uriya. Chardi Kala, Punjabi. Hind Samachar, Urdu. Praja Satyam, Telugu. And Dinathanti, it is in Tamil. Now, few headings are given to you in the newspapers. You have to tell what is there in that headings, under that headings. First one is article. So in the articles, a piece of writing is there on a particular topic. Inside, in front of D, you will write 1. Supplement. In supplement, what is there? Separate section of the same paper. It is a supplement. Editorial. In editorial, opinion was expressed by the editor. Obituary. It is a notice of someone's death. Review. In review, you will get critical report of a recent event. And classifieds. Classifieds are the advertisements. Subject-wise, compactly arranged advertisements. After this children, page number 44. Books and their authors. Now you have to match the books with their authors. The Merchant of Venice, very common book for you people. Merchant of Venice, William Shakespeare. Next is City of Joy. City of Joy was written by Dominique Lapierre. Next, One Day Wonders. One Day Wonders was written by Sunil Gavaskar. Cillian Manor, it was written by George Eliot. The Bachelors of Arts, it was written by R.K. Narayan. China Passage, it was written by John Kenneth Galbraith. A Suitable Boy, it was written by Vikram Singh. Next children, it is A Voice of Freedom. It is Nayantra Sehgal. And next, A Week with Gandhi. It is Louis Fisher. A Woman's Life. It is A Woman's Life. It is Gayatri Maupassant. And next, The Age of Reason. The Age of Reason was written by Jean Paul Sartre. Next, Shape of Things to Come. It was written by H.G. Wells. The Bubble. The Bubble was written by Mulk Raj Anand. The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea was written by Ernest Hemingway. Next, The Castle. The Castle was written by, it was Franz Kafka. The Valley of Dolls. Valley of Dolls was written by Jacqueline Susann. The Class. The Class was written by Erich Byron. The Clown. The Clown was written by Hendrik Ball. And Comedy of Errors. Comedy of Errors was written by William Shakespeare. After this, the Communist Manifesto, last one, it was written by Karl Marx. Now children, afterwards next is page number 45 in this morals in literature. In this they will tell you about the moral values given in the different chapters. So different chapters or different stories which we used to learn in the morals book, moral science books, or in the any other books. So it is appearance often are deceiving. What is the moral we are getting from this story? Appearance often are deceiving. The wolf in sheep's clothing. This is the story, and the moral which we are getting is appearance often are deceiving. Don't make much ado about nothing. So in this, it was the story, the mountain in labor. Next, every man should mind his own business. The seagull and the kite. It was the story. Example is more powerful than the percept. We will get this from the story, The Crab and its Mother. Familiarity breeds contempt. In this, it is the story. It is from the story, The Fox and the Lion. One good turn deserves another. So it was from the story, The Ant and the Dove. United we stand and divided we fall. The four oxen and the lion. It is best to prepare for the days of necessities. It is the ant and the grasshopper. It is not only fine feathers that make fine birds. So it was the jay and the peacock. Misfortune tests the sincerity of friends. It was from the story, The Bear and the Two Travelers. Necessity is the mother of invention. It was from the story, The Crow and the Pitcher. No one should be blamed for his infirmities. It was from the story, The Old Hound. And pride goes before destruction. We will get this moral from the story, The Fighting Cocks and the Eagle. The hero is brave in deeds as well as words. So this we will get from the story, The Hunter and the Woodman. And last is, things are not always what they seem. This we will get from the story, Beekeeper and the Bees. So children, try to complete these 4 pages in your GK book. Thank you children.